Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I decided to share with you guys how I'm going to be making some Jello shots. This is going to be for Halloween, so I decided to use some syringes to make it more fun. If you guys are interested in this video, please keep on watching. These are some of the things you're going to be using. You can have your choice of Jello. You're going to be needing cups of water to boil. And if you want to do this a little bit more fun like I am, you can use vodka. I'm going to be using the same flavor of Jello, so it kind of all is still sweet. And then your syringes, I will leave a link down below. I did purchase these at Amazon, and they're actually made for Jello shots, so that's perfect. And you're going to need a pan, so you can go ahead and start boiling your water. Now let's boil it. To be adding 2 cups of water. To this, we're going to be adding 2 packages of our Jello once it does come into a boil. At this point, my water has kind of started to boil, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, and I'm going to be adding in my 2 packages of Jello. We're going to go ahead and stir. What we're going to do now is grab our cup here, and we're going to be adding some ice cubes because we're going to be adding the vodka in there cold. We're going to be adding in 2 cups because it's 1 cup warm water, 1 cup cold water, but we're substituting with vodka. So in here I put 2 cups because it's 2 packages. One shot of vodka. We're gonna go ahead and add that to the mix. I don't know how much to add, so we'll kind of estimate it here. I think that made it a little bit more red. What we're gonna do now is fill up our syringes and put them in the refrigerator for a few hours. Each syringe does have its own lid, which I thought was pretty cool. So what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and fill them up. So it gives you the instructions here. Do you want to be buzzed, tipsy, or wild? I say we should be wild. And there you have it. So then we'll just put the lid back on and we'll put them in the refrigerator. This is how they turned out. I was able to do almost a whole entire bag, which I am pretty happy with. That's only using 2 packages, so if you want to do more, I would recommend you guys getting more syringes. These are pretty big, so I think they're going to come out very, very nice. So I'm going to go ahead and store them in the fridge, and I will show you guys how they turn out.